All right, if you have a vehicle with CarPlay but wired and you want to step into the future, then you're going to want this little adapter. This little dongle right here can take your phone and turn it into a wireless CarPlay. That's right, you can take your iPhone and turn it wirelessly so you can put it in your pocket. I know personally that when I have left my phone in here, when I plug it into the wired connection, I've left my phone numerous times in the truck. And I've gone in only to be like, where's my phone? And then have to go out in the cold at night and grab my phone because I left it in the truck. This solves that problem. And it also takes you from yesterday and puts you into today's technology. So what it does is it takes this cable right here, cord, and removes it. And you have two options. In my truck, I can either put it in this one, or it actually comes with a adapter for the USB-C. Now I just like to use the USB-C because to me it's just a little bit faster. So I'll use that of a connection, but you don't need to. You can use either one, whatever your car comes with. You can use either one. And in fact, I'm probably, for this example, I'm probably just going to use this. So you just plug this in right here and it automatically connects. See, it's lighting up. It's flashing, and when it lights up and flashes just like that, it gives you the instructions. You hit more, continue, you agree, searches for phone, and it finds the phone. You just connect it on your phone and the Bluetooth. Then you just connect it to your phone, and boom, welcome to the future. You can keep your phone wirelessly connected. See, no wires. Look, Ma, no strings. So you got no strings on me? Yeah, you're good to go. I mean, I love this little thing. It works. I mean, you can't really say anything about it other than when you buy something and it does what it says, you got to be excited about it. So anyways, if you have a car that is a wired CarPlay and you want to convert it to wireless, then get this little adapter. And if you know somebody, it makes a great gift as well. So I use it almost every single time I jump in the car. It just connects automatically.